Doesn't it suck sitting at the dealership waiting around for a customer to walk in? How would you feel if you knew you could sell 20 cars and make $10,000 every month? Imagine having 15 to 20 people coming in every month expecting to buy from you. What if you could find qualified buyers and drive them into the dealership looking for your help buying a vehicle? There are people in your area who love your brand and are ready to buy a vehicle. How do you make it easier for them to find you? If you'd like to uncover how to get 15 to 20 buying customers into your dealership every month and start making some real money, I invite you to join Brian Maxwell as he gives 3 ways to sell cars using social media. Prospecting for people with the potential to purchase. PPPPs. Brian Maxwell shows sales professionals nationwide how to market and make money selling cars. Brian's philosophy is simple. Selling is fun when it's done the right way. Register for the webinar immediately because this will fill up fast.